Hi, my name's Jarrod Shelley from Autofidelity, and today we're going to have a look at the factory controlled rear heated seats that we've just retrofitted to this brand new SQ7. When we set out to perform this installation, we were told that you cannot actually order these factory style heated seats from Audi, meaning the only way to get this genuine option is here at Autofidelity. Here we see the rear seats, which you would never tell that we have retrofitted a back and base heating element. Now on the factory climate control, we now have the heated seat buttons, which have your 3 temperature controlled settings, easily adjustable from the back of the car. So if you like your heated seats up at the front, your kids will at the back too. So feel free to contact us today. My name's Jarrod Shelley. Thanks for watching.